Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, AI enthusiasts and developers. Today, we're diving into the platform that's become the central hub for the global AI community, Hugging Face. If you work with AI or are just curious about the latest in machine learning, Hugging Face is about to become your new best friend. This platform is where researchers, developers, and companies come together to share, discover, and collaborate on cutting-edge AI models and datasets. Think of it as the GitHub of AI, but with a unique twist. It's all about democratizing artificial intelligence for everyone. Let's explore how Hugging Face is changing the way we build and use AI. Hugging Face started as a chatbot company but quickly transformed into the heart of the open-source AI community. Today, it's the go-to place where researchers share breakthrough models, companies discover new AI solutions, and developers build the next generation of AI applications. Imagine an ecosystem that combines the best of an app store for AI models with the collaborative power of GitHub for machine learning. That's Hugging Face, a complete environment for everything AI, making advanced technology accessible to all. At its core, Hugging Face is both a platform and a vibrant community. It offers a massive repository of pre-trained AI models, an extensive collection of datasets, and powerful tools for training and deploying models. The platform also provides educational resources and community spaces where users can learn and collaborate. The central feature is the Hub, which contains over 200,000 models, 30,000 datasets, and 50,000 demo applications. Hugging Face's mission is clear: democratize AI by making state-of-the-art models accessible to everyone, not just big tech companies. The Hugging Face Hub is truly model central. Here, you'll find every major AI model, from Llama and Mistral to Stable Diffusion, BERT, and GPT-2. The Hub allows you to search and filter models by task, framework, dataset, or language. Each model comes with version control, detailed model cards, and a space for community discussions and reviews. The dataset collection is just as impressive, offering curated datasets for every machine learning task, complete with pre-processing scripts, documentation, and licensing information. The Hub also features Spaces interactive demos where you can try out models or deploy your own with just a few clicks. Hugging Face isn't just for individuals. Major organizations like Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Stanford, along with thousands of research labs and companies, host their models on the platform. This means you get access to official releases and community contributions all in one place. Whether you're looking for the latest research or production-ready models, the Hub brings together the best from both industry and academia, fostering a collaborative environment for AI innovation. At the heart of Hugging Face lies the Transformers Library, a powerful Python library that provides thousands of pre-trained models for natural language processing and beyond. With a unified API, you can easily train, fine-tune, and run inference on models across different architectures. The library supports PyTorch, TensorFlow, and JAX, making it flexible for any workflow. Key features include the Pipeline API for one-liner model usage, auto classes for automatic model loading, and robust tokenizers for text preprocessing. Using the Transformers library is incredibly straightforward. With just a few lines of code, you can load a pre-trained model and start making predictions. For example, the Pipeline API allows you to perform sentiment analysis, text generation, translation, and more with minimal setup. The library also supports image and audio tasks, making it a versatile tool for modern AI development. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Transformers streamlines the process of working with state-of-the-art models. The range of tasks supported by Hugging Face's Transformers library is impressive. You can tackle text classification, generation, and translation, as well as image classification, segmentation, and generation. Audio tasks like speech recognition and classification are also covered. The library even supports multimodal tasks, allowing you to build models that work across text, images, and audio. This versatility makes Hugging Face a one-stop shop for all your AI needs. The Datasets library is another cornerstone of Hugging Face. It provides efficient loading and pre-processing for over 30,000 datasets, supporting everything from small test sets to massive web crawls. The library features streaming for large datasets, built-in data validation, and easy integration with popular machine learning frameworks. With detailed documentation and pre-processing scripts, you can quickly find and prepare the data you need for any AI project. For those working with large models or distributed training, the Accelerate library is a game changer. It simplifies multi-GPU and distributed training, works with any PyTorch training loop, and offers automatic mixed precision for faster computations. Accelerate also provides easy deployment optimizations, making it simple to scale your AI projects from research to production. This tool is essential for anyone looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The Diffusers library brings state-of-the-art diffusion models to Hugging Face. It supports image, audio, and video generation, including popular models like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E alternatives. With tools for both training and inference, Diffusers makes it easy to experiment with generative AI. Whether you're creating art, music, or new media experiences, this library opens up exciting possibilities for creative AI applications. Tokenization is a critical step in natural language processing, and Hugging Face's Tokenizers library is built for speed and flexibility. It supports all major tokenization methods and features a Rust backend for high performance. You can even train custom tokenizers for your specific needs. This library ensures that your text data is processed efficiently, enabling faster and more accurate model training and inference. Getting started with Hugging Face is simple. You can install the core libraries, transformers, and datasets using pip. With a single command, you'll have access to a world of AI models and datasets. The installation process is quick and well documented, making it easy for anyone to begin exploring the platform's capabilities, whether you're working on a laptop or a cloud server. Once installed, using Hugging Face models is straightforward. For example, you can load a text generation pipeline with GPT-2 or an image classification pipeline with just a few lines of code. The platform supports a wide range of models and tasks, allowing you to experiment and build prototypes quickly. This ease of use is one of the reasons Hugging Face has become so popular among AI developers and researchers. Hugging Face makes it easy to load and use pre-trained models. With the Auto Model and Auto Tokenizer classes, you can quickly access models like BERT and prepare your data for inference or fine-tuning. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different architectures and datasets, accelerating your AI development process. The documentation provides clear guidance, making it accessible even for those new to machine learning. Loading and working with datasets is just as simple. The Load dataset function lets you access popular datasets like IMDb with a single line of code. You can easily split data into training and testing sets, pre-process it, and integrate it into your machine learning pipeline. This streamlined workflow helps you focus on building and improving your models rather than worrying about data management. Hugging Face's Inference API allows you to run models without worrying about infrastructure. With a simple HTTP request, you can send data to a hosted model and receive predictions in real time. This is perfect for deploying AI features in web or mobile applications, enabling rapid prototyping and production deployment. The API supports authentication and is designed for scalability, making it suitable for both individual developers and enterprise teams. A defining feature of Hugging Face is its open-source ethos. Most models on the platform are free and open for anyone to use, modify, and contribute to. The community is encouraged to share improvements, participate in discussions, and collaborate on new projects. This transparency and openness have accelerated the pace of AI innovation, making advanced technology available to a global audience. Hugging Face is committed to education and knowledge sharing. The platform offers free courses on AI and machine learning, extensive documentation, technical blog posts, and a vibrant community forum. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, you'll find resources to help you learn, grow, and stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI. The Hugging Face community is lively and engaged, with regular events, challenges, and competitions. Hackathons and coding contests encourage participants to build new models, implement research papers, and evaluate model performance. These events foster collaboration, spark creativity, and help push the boundaries of what's possible in AI. They're also a great way to learn from others and showcase your skills. For businesses and organizations, Hugging Face offers enterprise-grade features. These include private model repositories, team collaboration tools, enhanced security, and dedicated support with service-level agreements. Enterprises can leverage the platform to build, deploy, and manage AI solutions securely and efficiently, all while benefiting from the innovation of the open-source community. Hugging Face has had a major impact on AI research. By providing access to state-of-the-art models and datasets, researchers can build on existing work, ensure reproducibility, and collaborate more effectively. The platform accelerates the research cycle, allowing new ideas to be tested and shared quickly. This democratization of resources has opened up AI research to a much broader audience. Startups and established companies alike are adopting Hugging Face to accelerate their AI initiatives. By leveraging models that took millions to train, businesses can fine-tune solutions for their specific needs and reduce time to market. The platform lowers barriers to AI adoption, making it possible for organizations of all sizes to build and deploy advanced AI products efficiently. Hugging Face is a valuable resource for students and educators. Students can experiment with real-world models, while educators have access to proven examples and hands-on tools for teaching AI concepts. The platform supports career development in AI by providing practical experience with production-ready tools and models, helping learners build the skills needed for the future. Hugging Face is constantly evolving. The platform is expanding to support more model types and modalities, improving tools for enterprise deployment, and enhancing collaboration features. Ongoing improvements in model evaluation and benchmarking ensure that users always have access to the latest and most effective AI solutions. Hugging Face is committed to staying at the forefront of AI technology. Technical innovation is at the core of Hugging Face's mission. The platform is working on more efficient model serving, better model compression and optimization, and enhanced training pipelines. Improvements in model interpretability help users understand and trust AI decisions. These advancements ensure that Hugging Face remains a leader in AI research and deployment. The Hugging Face community is growing rapidly, expanding to more languages and regions around the world. The repository of models and datasets continues to grow, and more educational content and courses are being added. Stronger industry partnerships are helping to drive innovation and ensure that the platform remains relevant and impactful for users everywhere. A core value of Hugging Face is making AI accessible to more people. The platform supports diverse and inclusive AI development, promotes ethical practices, and advances open science and research. By lowering barriers and encouraging participation from all backgrounds, Hugging Face is helping to shape a future where AI benefits everyone. Hugging Face has fundamentally changed how AI is developed, shared, and used. By creating a central hub for the global AI community, the platform has accelerated innovation and made state-of-the-art AI accessible to everyone. Whether you're a researcher, developer, student, or entrepreneur, Hugging Face provides the tools and community you need to succeed in the AI revolution. Are you ready to join the Hugging Face community? Now is the perfect time to start exploring the world of OpenAI. With powerful tools, a supportive community, and endless opportunities for learning and collaboration, Hugging Face is where the future of AI is being built. Remember, the best AI future is built together, and Hugging Face is where we build it.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.